got something in the mail. And it looks like it's going to have to be modified straight out of the packet. But what's unusual about that? It's a box from Patrick. Thank you, Patrick. I got no idea what's in it. Let's have a look. Okay, alright, well, you got a message. David, what the fuck is that? David, please don't modify this straight out of the package. I couldn't find a better quality, so please be gentle. Be gentle with what? Holy crap. What is in here? Oh, yeah, oh, it's a letter. Okay. I wanted to send you this piece. I thought it would be funny, and it's somehow related to Garage K. I added some handy stuff for your hands. They are thin ones, better to work with. Scotch Brite in a garage always comes in handy. And what was that dirty micro towel? Here's a new one. Thank you. Keep up your great Garage K channel and keep it like you do and how you like it. It's fucking enjoyable, man. Greetings from the Dutch, Patrick. Tell Harry I said hi. Well, thank you very much, Patrick. Let's have a look at what's in the box. Okay, so holy crap. Wow, okay, so it's a whole bunch of Scotch Brite. Look at, well, no, it's one, is it? Yeah, it's a whole bunch of Scotch Brite. Wow. Holy crap. Thank you. Put that over there. There's more. There's more of it. Just in case. There's that. So much Scotch Brite. Even more Scotch Brite. Yeah, new micro towel. Microfiber. Look at that. It's a big one too. From Spargo. Dope. Thank you, microfiber. Oh, what? Oh no, what is this? Gloves. You sent me gloves. Wow. Yo. Mad gloves. Holy crap. Mad gloves. Like, but this is hilarious. Where the hell did you find this? It's fucking Harry. Oh, that's amazing. Oh wait, it takes batteries. Oh, if that goes far, I'll be really impressed. Holy shit. This is a crow, and it's to stop pigeons. It's a crow to stop pigeons. All right, this is a crow to scare away pigeons. Probably scare away Ted. This dude, put his legs on. Oh crap. Okay. Oh yo. Yo, it's fucking Harry. Fuck. Okay. You can live there. Alright. That's incredible. Oh my god. Holy hell. How much did you spend on gloves, dude? Look at this. Gloves. 1 million gloves. I'm never gonna have to buy gloves for the rest of my life. Like, I'll use, these look like the ones that I use for driving. They are just like the ones I use for driving. That's dope. Thank you so much, man. Wow. Let's put some on. Are you ready for your operation? Yes, I'm ready to do all of the things. So I've got, I don't know how many pairs of gloves. 1,000 pair of gloves. Microfiber. and a ton of Scotch Brite. Thank you very much, Patrick. Yeah, blown away by that. You didn't have to do that. Thank you very much. Fuck, I gotta get some batteries in this dude and see what he does. Alright, hang on. Let's do that. Let's pause and we'll do that. You need batteries. Alright, I've got some double A's. We're going. I'll turn it off. Double A. Double A. Yep. Alright, what does he do? Here we go, turn him on. Wow, look at that. He's got a motion sensor. He's got a motion sensor on the front, so he's gonna do that. Like, there we go. Ah! Amazing. I have to find a place for him to live. He's got like, there's screw holes in the bottom here. There's holes in the bottom of the base, so you could screw him to something. Well, I don't know where I'm going to put him. It's almost a waste to leave him in here, but this, like, it doesn't really fit. He's fucking huge. Look how big this guy is. This is awesome. Anyway, I'll find a spot for him. Thanks again. Thanks again, Patrick, for a box of goodies care package from the Netherlands. Really appreciate it. Thanks. I think I'm going to call him Parry, as in Plastic Harry. And that is it for this episode. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button. If you'd like to see more, press subscribe. If you'd like to support the channel, you can do that by getting your name on the Garage K door. Details on how to do that are in the description, or you can do it at garagek.com. I will see you in the next episode. Later.